That right there is the product pick of the week this week. It is the Adafruit MotorShield V3. This is for DC motors, stepper motors, and servos. And it is Arduino form factor, Arduino Uno form factor, which means you can put it on a whole bunch of different Arduino boards. You can put it on the Metro boards, on Grand Central. They all have that same distinct pinout. I've got my MotorShield, and then on one side I've got a stepper motor. This is one of these little sort of automotive gauge steppers. I have a couple of servo motors over here. Take this off for a second. A little DC motor that is the type you find in a DVD or CD player. We have 8-bit resolution speed control, and then I'm just using normal PWM servo stuff here on these servos. And with stepper, in this case, we have the ability to drive the coils with single step, double step, interleaved, and micro stepping. Motor, stepper, servo, shield, V3.